Welcome to Sonicwall Video Solutions. My name is Kritika Nakshatri. In this video, we demonstrate how to use Application Firewall to allow specific email addresses to bypass detection and prevention by DPI services. It is possible to establish a number of specific email senders whose mail is not going to be scanned by the Sonicwall UTM appliance. This can be done using the Application Firewall feature of SonicOS Enhanced. In this video, we demonstrate the process of creating an application object and an application firewall policy in order to bypass the deep packet inspection on the Sonicwall appliance. For demonstration, we are using a Sonicwall NSA 220 with the firmware version 5.9.0.6. To begin with the configuration, we navigate to the Firewall tab, Match Objects, and click on Add New Match Object. The object name can be as per your requirement. In this demonstration, we call it Bypassed Email Senders. The match object type needs to be email from. The match type is set to partial match. In the content, you can add the email addresses that needs to be bypassed from the DPI. Once the email address is typed in, click on Add to add it to the content list. Once the required email addresses are added in, click on OK. Next, navigate to the App Rules page. Enable the checkbox Enable App Rules. Then click on Add New Policy. Policy name can be specified as per the requirement. The policy type needs to be SMTP client. The source address can be a particular IP address or a group of IP addresses if the source SMTP server is known, or else it can be left at any. The match object needs to be set to the match object that we previously created, which is bypassed email senders. Action object is bypass DPI. The service is automatically set to SMTP send email. The direction is set to incoming. Once set, you can click on OK to save the settings. We have now completed the policy to bypass certain email addresses from deep packet inspection. This list can be modified as and when required by navigating to Match Object, click on Configure, and edit the list as per your requirement. This brings us to the end of this video on how to use Application Firewall to allow specific email addresses to bypass detection and prevention by DPI services.